Assamese Management lesson, Kharkhowa Management, the 9th lesson, Umoy Hotia Sa Bahi Sa. There was some important work that had to be done, and everybody was sure that somebody would do it. Anybody could have done it, but nobody did it. Somebody got angry because of this, since it was everybody's job. Everybody thought anybody could do it, but nobody understood that everybody wouldn't do it. And it ended with everybody blaming somebody, as nobody did what anybody could have done. In life, we come across many jobs or activities which were supposed to be done by anyone from the family, village, or organization. But in the long run, no one completes it, thinking someone else will do it because the benefit will not go to him alone. This is a basic human tendency. Many great jobs or projects fail in our life, in our organizations, even in our country. This happens even after forming high-powered teams and committees, because no one decides who will be the key person who will lead the project with full responsibility. And finally, the big idea, the great resolution, slowly goes into oblivion. This matter is beautifully explained in Assamese management wisdom through the Folklore Jujona, Umoy Hotia Salbahi Sa. In Assamese culture and tradition, a dead body must be cremated before dark. If the deceased person has children, parents, or close relatives, they immediately take the initiative to complete the last rites according to custom. But sometimes in villages, a person dies without children or close relatives. During his lifetime, he helped everyone in the village. He was loved by all. But when he dies, everyone thinks someone else will start the process, and they will join when called. And while everyone waits, no one takes the initiative. Slowly, the sun sets, and the body still lies there, without being taken to the cremation ground. This human behavior was also common in earlier joint families of Assam. From this behavior emerged another popular saying, Akon ha luter puter dukon ha borji tinikon hole akon koti. In society, or even within families, it is commonly seen that only one or two people take initiative, working day and night. But when success comes, everyone demands their share of the fruit. This tendency is also captured in another Assamese management saying, Kabor porot satbai, kamor port kununai. 7 brothers appear when there is food, but when work needs to be done, none are found. During youth, or when students pass out from management colleges, young people often have many innovative ideas to benefit their organization, their community, and society. Everyone praises them. Oh, what a great idea. Go ahead, I'm with you. But when the time comes for actual support, time, money, or effort, suddenly hundreds of excuses appear. Not this time. Maybe later. Next project I will surely help. Therefore, young managers must remember one important lesson. Your dream project, your idea, must be executed by yourself. Do not expect help in the beginning. When the project becomes successful, when it is already moving on track, then many people will come forward. But during the initial struggle, no one will share your burden. Sometimes this happens even among 3 or 4 close friends. That is why the Assamese Folklore reminds us, do it yourself. Take the initiative. Once you understand the deep meaning of Umuhotia Sabahisa, you will never feel frustrated when people do not come forward to help your great initiative. And you will also not be surprised when those who never helped, except through words, demand their share of the success. Because this human nature is already explained in Assamese management wisdom. Akon ha luter puter dukal bor juti tinikon hole akon koti. Kabor porot satbai, kamor port kununai.